If you did a post-purchase survey and they actually sent you, make sure that any sort of sense of morality as a code in society that we all use. If there's any hill or it is the exploitation sexually of innocent children.